Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the secret garden border element in Canva with the secret code. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Canva and then just open your designs. Any designs that you can open the new designs or old designs like this. And then after that, just go to elements. And then next, just search for this code, this one. And then after that, just click on submit. And okay, like this. You have just unlocked a secret element set like this. This element looks like a garden border with grass, flowers, and soft hills. It has a storybook, children illustrations, or cozy spring vibes that very aesthetic and maybe perfect for kids worksheets or learning materials or maybe Instagram stories posts, YouTube thumbnails, or maybe invitations or greeting cards or another designs. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.